Ladies and gentlemen, the Sweet Rendezvous, okay? You ever rendezvous with someone? Whenever you rendezvousing, okay? Nothing good's happening, okay? Anyway, ice cream, butterscotch schnapps, beautiful. Come behind it with some Frangelico. I already see this drink is delicious because these all go together. And Irish cream? Come on, man. Who could ask for more? You could stop here. Irish cream soda. Okay, that's a little twist on it. That's going to cause it to... chocolate syrup too. That's going to cause it to fuzz up a little bit, the Irish cream soda. And Nutella, okay? The only thing that we're not adding is tuna. It seems like this have everything. Okay, so now we blend. Pour into our glass. Woo! Okay, a lot of stuff going on in there. Put some whipped cream on that bad boy. Put some chocolate sprinkles on. We need a cherry, okay? I think this calls for a cherry. Whoa! There you have it, cherry. Let me get a little sip, okay? Because I know this is an awesome drink. Okay, perfect, good to go. Stay tipsy. Find more of our recipes on tipsybartender.com.